Hi, welcome to Funky Rainbow, the traveling children's bookshop. My name is Vidya Mani and I'm one of the founder partners of Funky Rainbow. So, what do we do as a traveling children's bookshop? We take a colorful, curated collection of Indian children's and young adult books here, there, everywhere in a big little book truck. That's right. Yes, we have a beautiful red book truck in which we travel to schools, libraries, parks, public spaces, not just in the city of Bangalore where we are based, but to other parts of the country as well. And we introduce Indian writers and illustrators and their marvelous creations to children and adults everywhere.
Hi, I'm Uttama, one of the founding partners at Funky Rainbow. If you ask me about our journey all these 7 years, it's been as colorful and as funky as any rainbow can be. We started off with single events, but we slowly moved to spaces where nobody would go, and we also found that there was a great interest among schools to have us with them. So across the country, we've been to schools. We've really traveled. You name the direction across this great nation of ours, and we've been there and we've been working with schools.
Hi, I'm Shyam Madhavan Sarda and one of the founding partners of Funky Rainbow. Like Muttama was saying just now, we have taken great pains across the last 7 years to put together a list of nearly 8,000 children's books right now from different publishers. We have a list of almost 100 publishers, which people are always surprised to find out about. And what we do here at Funky Rainbow is to make these books find readers wherever we can. We also take them to government school festivals, a lake conservation festival, a pet carnival, or a food carnival, or a Christmas carnival, all kinds of places. The idea is to be present where people are and where a reader could be. And you're not always thinking of books, but when you see a book, you start thinking of the book.
This is Karthi. I joined Funky Rainbow in 2018. I'm working in operations. We take books to several schools in Bangalore and outside also, and we love to interact with the children very much, and I love Funky Rainbow very much.
Hello, this is Sujita. I take care of logistic and uploading new books on our website at funkyrainbow.com. This is my first job and I am enjoying it.
So, as you can see, the team at Funky Rainbow clearly lives and loves children's books. What we're going to do now is to, each one of us is going to pick out one of our favorite scholastic books from our colorful bookshelves, and I'm going to pick what is, very much one of my favorites, Boy Number 32 by writer Benita Coelho.
My favorite books from Scholastic as a parent and as a bookseller are these two series. The Watch Out series, which is a must-read for parents. It talks about no touch and no bullying, using these very difficult issues to discuss. And of course, the Scholastic Early Science series, which introduces various concepts of science or animal life through stories.
Yeah, so this is my favorite book from the collection here from Scholastic, and of course this book makes no sense because this book makes no sense. It is a collection of nonsense verse edited by Michael Heyman and illustrated by the very wonderful Ria Kurians. Now, just to give you an example of how crazy it is, here's none other than Rabindranath Tagore. Desperate to hear an elephant sneeze. Desperate to hear an elephant sneeze, Keshta began combing Nepal's many trees. To tickle its trunk, took a bamboo twig and 7 jars of snuff, each fat and big. Trawling through the slush, how hard he tried. 2,000 sneezes later, he died.
Let's talk about my favorite book, which has been published by Scholastic, A Very Naughty Dragon. Why I love this book is because of a nice collaboration between a well-known author, Paura Anand, and 9-year-old child Sara Rose, and I love this book.
From Scholastic, I love these 3 books Meddling Mooley series written by Asha Nimaya.
The wheels of our big little book truck literally came to a grinding halt, when the pandemic hit us. We couldn't take our books here, there, everywhere like we had been doing in the last 7 years. So one of the things that we decided to do was to replicate what we do in our, in these events online. So the one thing that we have specialized in doing right through is to recommend books and match reading requirements with the books that we carry. We felt we should just replicate this online, and from there emerged the idea of our book bazaar.
We had a voucher campaign where we had vouchers of different denominations, and it allowed us to actually, like Vidya said, the wheels of our truck came to a grinding halt, and we began to think as to how we could take it again. Our books, for us it's important to reach it to people. So the voucher campaign was one where you pick up a voucher and decide whichever books you want. Either we recommend them, more or less like the bazaar, except that you could even stagger your purchases and things like that. Thanks to the generosity of all our supporters and all our friends who always look out for Funky Rainbow.
The thing is, basically the pandemic has taught us to be nimble. It has made us think on our feet and come together as a team to continue taking Indian children's books here, there, everywhere.